Struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep? You're not alone. Quality sleep is key to health, focus, and happiness. Today, discover 7 science-backed tricks to help you get the restful sleep you deserve, starting tonight. Your body thrives on routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time, even on weekends, regulates your internal clock for better sleep quality. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Use blackout curtains and remove electronic distractions for a calming, sleep-inducing atmosphere. Blue light from screens suppresses melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleepy. Stop screen time at least 60 minutes before bed or use blue light filters. Avoid caffeine after mid-afternoon because it can linger in your system. Alcohol might help you fall asleep faster, but actually disrupts sleep cycles and reduces quality. Calm your mind with quiet rituals like stretching, meditation, or reading a book. These activities signal your brain it's time to wind down. Natural daylight helps regulate your circadian rhythm. Try to get at least 30 minutes outside during the day, especially in the morning. Heavy or spicy meals late at night can cause discomfort and disrupt sleep. Aim to eat dinner at least 2 hours before bedtime and opt for light, soothing snacks if needed. Try these 7 science-backed tips to improve your sleep starting tonight. Small changes lead to big results. Share your favorite sleep trick or challenge below, and subscribe for more smart wellness hacks.